Hey everyone, this is Mrs. Koenig here. This is the video for lesson 5.1, reducing fractions. To reduce a fraction, you have to reduce the fraction in the lowest term. Here, I can show you what I mean. So to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers in simplest form, this I want you to go to. So here's what I'm going to show you to do. Go to calculators, you type in that, you go to fractions, and you go to the math. Go to fractions, you go to math, and you're going to see simplified fractions right here. To convert improper fractions to mixed numbers in the simplest form, this calculator also simplifies proper fractions by reducing it to lower terms and showing the work involved. In order to simplify a fraction, there must be that number that will divide evenly into both the numerators and denominators so it can be reduced, or the numerator must be greater than the denominator in the proper fraction so it can be converted to a mixed number. And we're going to see a whole bunch of different things. So we're going to show you what is improper. So we're going to show you the vocabulary. So here we'll have today's vocabulary words. Improper fraction. So an improper fraction is any fraction where the number is greater than the denominator. Examples. Improper fraction will be 16 to 3, 81 to 9, 525 to 71. And how to convert improper fractions to mixed number. That will be the next lesson. And then how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. This is going to be, you need to know for the next lesson we're going to be talking about. So the next lesson is going to talk to you about converting improper fractions to mixed number. To do that, you're going to divide the numerators by the denominator. Write down the whole number result. Use the remainder as a new numerator over the denominator, and that will be the fraction part of the mixed number. For example, convert the improper fraction 16 to 3 to a mixed number. You have to divide by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 5. With the remainder of 1, to use a calculator, is going to be 5.1. The whole number result will be 5. The remainder is 1, and then the remainder will be 1. With 1 as a numerator and 3 as a denominator, with the fraction part of the mixed number is 1/3. The mixed number will be 5 1/3, so 16 3 will be 5 1/3. So impossible to this calculator first reduces an improper fraction to lowest terms before finding the mixed number form. This calculator reduces improper fractions to lowest terms by dividing numerators and denominators by the greatest common factor, GCF. 45% is 5, and then it tells us 9 to 2. To use this reduce as a proper fraction, and you divide 9 by 2. 9 divided by 2 is 4, with a remainder of 1. So with your calculator, it's going to be 4.1. And the whole number result is 4. The remainder will be 1, within 1 as a numerator and 2 as a reduced denominator. The fraction part will be 1/2. So a half. So the mixed number will be 4.5. So 4/10 is 4.5. Here, I'll show what I mean. So simplifying fractions, I'm going to show you 3 and 15. So I'm using this calculator. To find the greatest common factor of 3 and 15, if it exists, and reduce or our fraction by dividing both numbers and denominators by it, our GCF will be 3, and we'll be getting our simple answer. Now we're going to do our problems here. So the first one, we have 1 2/4. And we can like divide this by 2. And also have your checkpoint assignment to work. So 2 divided by 4 2 is 1. And then 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 5. So next one will be 5 and 4. 35 and 4. So I can say 5 times. So that will be 7. I'm make a line. I'm gonna make this. So we're gonna do these problems here. Okay. So and then we'll be going with 8. So the answer to this problem will be 7. 1 through 7, 8. 10 and 16. We're gonna do 2 times. And then 10 divided by 2 is 5. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So now we're gonna go with 5/8. For 8, 8/36, we're gonna go with 2 times. And 9. And then we're going to be doing, I'm going to use my calculator to solve. I'm going to go to my iPad. And you can see that thing here. It's called a calculator. So we're going to do 36 divided by 2. And that will be a fraction. So it's going to be 18. And as well as 9 and 18, it is going to be by simplifying. 1.5. Now we're going to be doing 8 and 20. We're going to do 2 times. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And then will be 10. 4 divided, so once again we have 18. For 18ths. And now it will be summed by the 2 times. This is going to be 2 and 8. 2 and 18 can be simplified. So 1, I would say 1/8. So that will be the answer. Because we just simplified 2 of the fractions. So we're going to do this by 3 times. And it will be 2 and 9. 2 divided by 1 is 1. And will be 5. We're going to do 3 divided by 30 will be 1. And 10. For this one, we're going to be doing like 2 times, I think. 2. I think we could do 4. 11 and 12, probably. 15 over 5 will be 1/3. Because we just simplified that number here. And we're going to try one more. I'm going to skip like 4 questions each. I'm going to do 7 and 2. Okay, we're going to do our checkpoint exercise. So pause the video and press play when you're ready. Okay, so for 14 over 24, we're going to be doing this over, we're going to say 2, 7 over 12. 18 and 20, we're going to be doing this again 2 times. Will be 9 and 10. 14 over 18, we're going to be doing this together. We are going to do this by 7 times. Oh, I just made a little bit mistake here. We're going to be doing this 7 times. 14. So, oh my god. I made a silly mistake here. And it's going to be 2. I'm going to say. So 2. 7. And then we're going to do this by 9. We're going to do this by 5 times. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 4 and 40, we are going to be doing this 2 times. 40 divided by 2 is 2. And then 40 will be, so 2 over 20. And then we're going to be simplifying by 1/10. Now 35 divided by 50, we're going to do this 5 times. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 50 divided by 5 is 10. 2 18ths. 2 and 18 can go by 2 times. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 18 divided by 2 is 9. Now we're going to do this 2 times. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then 4 divided by 2 is 2. So it's a half. You see what I'm doing? Over here. $32 divided by 6 will be, I think we can go this by, we're going to go this by 2 times. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then 2 divided by 6 is 3. I can do this 2 times again. It's law 2 so far. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 14 is 7. Um, 28 divided by 40 will be, we'll do this 2 times. 14 and 20. And realize we're going to be simplifying. So 7 and 10. 428, 2 times. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 28 divided by 2 is 14. Now we're going to do this again, simplifying. 1. Oh, that's great. So 45 to 50, we're going to do this 5 times. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. And 50 divided by 5 is 10. 2 and 28. We're going to be doing this 2 times. So we have 6 over 14. And then we'll simplify. Once we simplify, it's going to be 1, 7. And once again, we're going to do 2 times. And we're going to be doing this by 6 over 20. And we're going to be simplifying that answer to 3, 10. All right, last question. We're going to have 25, 60. We're going to do this. So we're going to do the biggest number. So we can't do 2 times, but we're going to do this 5. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. And then will be 12. All right, that's it for this lesson. And if you guys have any questions for me, see me in room D3, and please make sure to fill those notes out. Thank you, and enjoy, and remember to watch this video.